I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of the Garden Gate. It's the time of year when you need to do a little bit of garden cleanup and just a little bit of maintenance. Everything's all set in the garden. So I wanted to show you a few of the different tools that we have for a few of different tasks. This is a really nice little precise trimmer. So if you have, say, iris or something with really soft leaves, this is a really nice little tool. You can also use it for deadheading, and we have to do a lot of that this time of year to keep the flowers looking good. You want to make sure you've got a decent pair of gloves, and this one is made with a biodegradable material, which is nice, and it has a nice grip on the inside, but it has a fabric on the back side which makes it nice and lightweight, so those are awesome. You want to make sure you're not running into weird things in the garden. These are heat guards. We have them for both animals and for people, for dogs and for people, and you just soak them in water, wear them around your neck, and it's really nice for keeping you cool because your blood circulation is mostly through your neck, and it helps you keep you like a little air conditioner. We have some really great Felco pruners. Professionals use the Felco pruners. They're fantastic. You can clean them, you can sharpen them, you can replace parts if something ever breaks, whereas a lot of the cheaper tools you just can't get them repaired. So these are really great. There's a bunch of different styles. And we also have the Garden Bandit. We've carried this tool since the day we opened, and we've been here more than 20 years. It's a Canadian-made tool. It's stainless steel. It's just for taking weeds out of the garden. Does a really great job. So thanks for joining me on the Garden Gate. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.